It's Bonnie. Happy Friday night. I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys. After the day I had, I'm burning a candle. Check it out. I've got the pumpkin carving going from Bath and Body Works. I've actually burned this one a couple times. I love this candle. It's funny because when I first saw this online, I wasn't sure I was going to like the pattern. I thought, I got this one home. This is literally one of the most beautiful Bath and Body Works candles I have ever seen. The gold, the shiny like black lacquer. There's like a little bit like of a, I don't know, holographic element. It's really pretty. It's kind of the same, like, I don't know what this is, like plastic vinyl that they used on the Moonlit Grave. But these two are beautiful. I wish they had done all the candles for Halloween in this design because it's stunning. You have to get one of these home just to see the beauty of it. So I wanted to do pumpkin carving tonight. Also wanted to announce the two winners of the little giveaway that Lenny and I did yesterday on the fall videos. So I love doing giveaways, but I've been having so many problems with the spammers. So I'll probably try and sneak a couple of other giveaways into my videos, but I don't want to announce giveaway in the title because that's when you get the spammers coming around. So yesterday we did a little giveaway. The first two people who figured out the similarity between the videos that Lenny and I did, the eggplant video and the Q&A on his channel, Ecclesia Arts, won a little prize package for me. So the winners were Laura, who guessed the roses. The pink roses were in the Q&A back on the table that Lenny and I did, and they were on the countertop when we did the eggplant video. And then the second one was actually kind of funny. So for the Q&A video, I had a light lavender shirt on, and I just needed something a little bit darker that picked up the light in the space we were in. So I'm like, Lenny, give me your purple shirt. So I wore his purple shirt in the Q&A, and then in the eggplant video, he wore the purple shirt. So that was the second similarity. And Nassim guessed that one correctly. They both emailed me, thank you. I will be sending you a little prize package. So thank you so much. Hopefully I will be doing more giveaways, like I said, in the fall, because they're super fun. And I appreciate all of you guys so much. I like to do those. So now we're going to talk about pumpkin carving. Oh my gosh. This is like a replacement for Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin for Halloween. Because usually we would get like Perfect Pumpkin, it was called. There's usually a cat on it. And it was basically Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. Pumpkin carving is a little bit different. So pumpkin carving is freshly carved pumpkin, spiced pumpkin seeds, and smooth brown sugar. I really like this one. I actually like it better than Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. By the way, I did order the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin in the Body Care online exclusive. It's on the way. I can't wait. I always like using that in the fall. But this one is actually really strong. I've burned it a couple times. It's giving off really nice throw. I want to say like a 9.5. It's really strong. It usually always is. And it kind of smells like spiced pumpkin guts. Like pumpkin guts with like a cinnamony, like pumpkin fall spice. But then there's a smooth brown sugar in there. I love the brown sugar. I think that really kind of ties it together and takes the edge off like the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. So it's not like overpowering. So I love this one. Always been a favorite of mine these past couple of years. And this year especially, the jar is beautiful. I forgot to get one of these yesterday when I did my order. I should have because I had a coupon for 25% off, but I do want to get another one of these if we have another sale, or I might just do another order. I might do it. Might treat myself here. $13.95. Also, I wanted to find out. So Moonlit Graveyard. Let me look at Moonlit Graveyard, you guys. Let me just type in Graveyard. That'll bring it up. Graveyard. Let me see. that candle, I don't know if it's sold out or if it's not included in the $13.95 sale. That's interesting. Let me look up. Everlasting Magic. Everlasting. I was just curious if Everlasting Magic is on sale. Yes, the Everlasting Magic candle with the crown and the glass lid is on sale for $13.95. So those are really the ones that I would get now while they're on sale. And then if you have the 25% off coupon, I think it takes it down to like $10. So that's a really good price on candles this weekend. So anyway, thank you so much for to everyone who was playing along with my giveaway. It was a lot of fun. Definitely consider picking up Perfect Pumpkin on sale. It's beautiful. Trust me. This one is gorgeous in the packaging. And I'll see you guys later. I got so much to do. I just got a whole load of Kringle Candle Christmas candles. I am so excited. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.